nursery gives the younger chimps a chance to develop social skills that'll be necessary for them when they move on to one of the adult groups. But there's one chimp who spent more time here than anyone else. 8-year-old Seamus. He's either causing trouble with the other chimps or chilling out with his foster mum, Sally. The pair share a special bond. Just like humans, chimpanzees develop their own unique personalities, and Seamus's personality is certainly unique. He's mischievous, inquisitive, and always in the thick of it at playtime. Brian is the new boy in this group. To begin with, he was nervous of boisterous Seamus.